Osaka Expo? How is it coming along? It seemed to be quite a hot topic for a while, but in the end, I haven't gone even once. I figured if I could go, I would, but since I couldn't, I didn't. Obviously. I didn't go because I couldn't go. That's just how it is. But now that public interest has completely cooled down, what is the state of the expo site right now? Or rather, can I even get there? I'm going to check it out. Let's go. Anyway, more than the expo itself, that whole area is Maishima and Yumeshima. It's usually a nice spot when you want to pick up some speed on the bike, so I go there every now and then. But during the expo construction period, it was super crowded. Even cyclists seem to be staying away from it. Plus, the bridge has all sorts of traffic restrictions, so I'm honestly not sure if I can cross it or not right now. I'm going to go see what the newly built station looks like, since I haven't been there even once yet. I thought about going by bike once, but the price for bike parking... Did I misread it? It said 3,000 yen. So I was like, what? And gave up. I haven't been there myself, but people around me, friends, classmates, acquaintances, are working heavily behind the scenes, on site, or bringing materials in. So I hear inside stories every now and then. I was forced to listen to someone brag, saying, "The Gundam in Japan?" I was the one who dismantled it. Wait, did they not dismantle it yet? Also, the booths. Apparently it costs like 50 million yen just to build one temporary shop. 50 million for something you can only use for half a year. You could open a real store with that. And when the expo is over, they're going to tear it down again, right? So the people on site say they'll be busy for the next 10 years or so. "We don't have enough manpower," they said. "Young people, please come to the site. Do you hate the idea?" Oh, this isn't the route. Well, even if it's not the route, I can pass through. So why are they making me take such a detour? It's a trap. This is a trap laid by Kongming. From here on, it's just straight. It's the usual headwind zone though. Ah, it's become totally new. Something's clicking, popping, clicking. Is a screw loose? Is it the pedal? Ah, ara! Wasn't this place a huge forest? It's all completely gone. Wow, it's become clean. As expected, it's expensive. It's become amazingly clean. The forest is perfectly gone. What happened? It was alive. Good. This place really used to be a forest. Not a single tree left. As usual, there isn't a single store. Ah, looks like a restaurant at the yacht harbor. That's about it. When I was in Taiwan, if I rode along the riverbed, probably a place like this Yodo River area, there were quite a few temporary stalls and such. I don't know if they had permits though. Maishima is here. But here, I once went to eat at a cafeteria. That place was pretty good. Maishima Cafeteria, Family Mart. Ryokudo, Green Road. Is it okay to enter by bike here? Ryokudo isn't necessarily bad to ride on. People who want speed should go to the roadway. Lots of trucks though. If possible, a skateboard park. They'll probably build one in Yumeshima too, so I want them to make a dirt jump park playable with bikes. Ahead is Nishinomiya. Koshien is barely visible. If it was night and they were playing a night game, it would be bright and visible. This road is surprisingly quiet and nice. Good for riding slowly. Bring a bento and eat somewhere. But there's no place to eat. Was there a food truck? I feel like there was one place selling bento. Bird droppings everywhere. There are tons of them, covered in them. Judging by the look of it, it seems like a flock of birds comes here every year. Maishima is quite wide when you go around it. If you follow the Ryokudo, I'm heading back now. It's a tailwind, so it's a breeze. Ah, bento shop. Is it open? Roadway. Is the roadway blocked? The roadway is blocked. Wait, did the speed limit change? Before, I think there was a fence here. Ah, so. Yes. If you go down, you can go. If you push the bike, it counts as luggage. Technically, I will push it. The camera is rolling too. The bridge is huge, so walking takes about 10 minutes. Port Authority versus police. But if you look closely, this isn't Osaka Police, Fuki, but Osaka Port Authority, Kowankyoku. It's a bit different again. Land versus sea. The port part. The guys from the sea are strong. Isn't that it? Port Authority. If you ride a bike, will they come? I came to the front of Yumeshima Station, but please cut the grass. Osaka Prefecture, please cut the grass. Is that the ring? Is it staying? Are they going to break it all? No crosswalk at all. Had to turn back a huge distance. Looks like I can get to the station. This is the station? No bike parking. Where is it? When I looked before, it was 3,000 yen. I feel like I saw 3,000 yen. Was it 300 yen? Nothing there. Nothing like that. Is it gone? Just leaving it there? No can do. Anyway, I looked around once, but the bike parking at Maishima is pathetic. But on the net, at one point, Maishima bike parking, I feel like there was one. And the price was huge. No. Tried to go via the roadway, but... And the original bike and pedestrian road is still closed. You can only go up to the first exit. Well, I came to see, but there was nothing. That's how it is. It's finished. There's only old guys from trucks and construction. The run is finished. It was like a biathlon. Actually, it's written here too. Port Authority. Is Maishima loose? Is something different? Is the sign new? It loses its effect if it gets old. For me, I was more surprised that the forest over there was gone. I didn't think it would disappear. An event bigger than the expo. I didn't think it was disappearing. Cat belly explosion. Someone's feeding it too much. Also, I want to enjoy the tailwind on this straight road and go home. Good. It's a bonus zone. Like when you use a mushroom in Mario Kart. Summary: Osaka Expo site. Finally went. I went because I could. I went there because I was able to. I was able to cross the bridge. But the station, the bicycle pedestrian road is cut off. The roadway cannot be ridden. Really? I got scolded by a construction guy. I was driven away so I could only go up to there. So I could only gaze at the ring from afar. Well, even if you go from the Umeda direction, there is nothing, and it's hard to get there. Not recommended. It's better to run on the Maishima Green Road. I'm curious about that bento over there, so someone please buy it.